Okay, we've got a nice crack going into the flatwork, and I have a few guidelines that I use to analyze this. To render an opinion about it. Is the crack wider in the middle and narrower at the perimeter, which this one is. So that's a good thing. Now coming along on this side, going to the patio, the driveway, I can't tell if it's wider or thinner. Maybe one of them is and one of them isn't. Maybe it starts narrow there and gets wider down here. I don't know, because it's been sealed, which is a good thing. So is the crack more than a 32nd of an inch? It looks like it. Is it more than 32nd of an inch in more than one location? It looks like that too. And again, I don't know if some of this has been exaggerated because we got the repair material inside of it. I don't know. And then the last one is it in plane? And it is. It is. This is a 6-foot stick, by the way. Wait a minute. Yep. It's in plane. Level and everything. Now, what's kind of interesting here, so this is fine. Monitor it. It just needs to be monitored. But over here, we can see that we've had some heaving in the driveway. And so as the water is designed to come out of the garage, it's lower here. All right. It's still going out. It's still going out. I don't see a big, wet stain, but water, it's directed over here towards your casement rather than running straight out. And so that's probably going to rot a little sooner. I don't know. And then over here we have, these are called expansion joints around your driveways and stuff. Like the ones in the street, because we expect things to move. But we don't have our wood. They put wood in there, which is acceptable. This is what happens. It rots and it leaves. It rots and it leaves. So now we don't have that lateral support. And, this is going to be conducive to, additional movement. Additional movement. So, that should be sealed.